Imagine a world where medicines aren't just invented by humans, but by AI. Today, we're diving into how AI is designing real drugs ready for human trials. Traditional drug discovery takes years, sometimes a decade, to identify a molecule that works and is safe. Now, AI can scan billions of compounds in hours, cutting timelines massively. Isomorphic Labs, part of DeepMind, is now starting human trials of their AI-designed drugs, built using AlphaFold-based tools. This is science fiction becoming reality. Faster drugs mean quicker cures for deadly diseases, like rare cancers or antibiotic-resistant infections. And once AI drugs prove safe, many more will follow.